This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with two essentials: admin access and the new VPN details. Once you have those, click the Apple menu and open System Settings, then select Network. Make sure Wi-Fi or Ethernet is active so changes apply immediately. Now locate your existing VPN profile in the left column. If none exists, prepare to add one. Click the plus button to create a new connection or select the VPN entry to edit its settings. Don't skip verifying protocol and server address before you proceed. With the VPN pane open, pick Interface, VPN, and choose the protocol your provider requires: IKEv2, L2TP, or OpenVPN with a third-party client. Enter the server address and your account name, then set authentication, password, certificate, or shared secret. Click Authentication Settings to input credentials or upload a certificate. Next, open Advanced to add DNS servers and set whether to send all traffic through VPN. This affects leaks and split tunneling. Save the profile and test a connection before moving to final steps. Now connect using the newly saved profile and wait for the status to show connected. Verify the change by checking your public IP and DNS. Use a browser test or terminal commands like curl ipinfo. If it fails, make sure server name, username, and authentication match exactly. Small typos break authentication. Also try restarting the network service or the Mac, update Mac OS, and review console logs for VPN errors. One key tip: toggle the protocol between IKEv2 and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.